In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate or deactivate your location settings in Gmail, ensuring you have control over your privacy and how Google interacts with your location data. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of managing your location settings directly from your Gmail account. This tutorial is tailored for anyone looking to manage their digital footprint with ease. First off, you'll need to navigate to your Gmail inbox. To do that, simply open your preferred web browser, type mail.google.com into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you directly to your inbox where all your emails are housed. Remember, staying organized and being able to efficiently navigate your inbox is key to a seamless Gmail experience. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture or an avatar that represents your account. This is more than just a pretty picture, it's your gateway to your Google account settings. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options, but for our purpose we're interested in the one that reads Edit Google Account. Click on that and you'll be directed to a comprehensive dashboard where you can manage various aspects of your Google account. Now that you're in your Google account settings, it's time to zero in on our main focus today, which is managing your location settings. Look for the data and privacy option. This section is crucial as it houses all the settings related to your data privacy, including location tracking. Click on Data and Privacy, and prepare to dive deeper into managing your digital footprint. In the Data and Privacy section, you'll find a comprehensive list of features and settings. However, we're specifically looking for My Activity, an option that lets you view and manage your Google activity, including your location history. By clicking on My Activity, you're taken to a page that logs various activities associated with your Google account. Here is where Google keeps track of the websites you visit, the apps you use, and yes, the places you go. Within the My Activity section, locate and click on the Timeline option. This is where Google aggregates your location data, showing you a chronological view of the places you've visited. It's quite a powerful feature as it visualizes your movements on a map, giving you insights into your routines and travels. Whether you find this feature helpful or somewhat invasive, it's important to know where and how to manage it. Finally, we arrive at the heart of today's tutorial, the option to turn your location tracking on or off. In the Timeline section, you will find the settings to either enable or disable this feature. Here, Google gives you the power to decide whether you want your location to be tracked and stored. If you choose to turn it off, Google will no longer log your location data, which can be a critical step for those concerned about their privacy. On the flip side, if you find value in location-based recommendations or want to keep a log of your travels, you might opt to leave it on. Adjusting your location settings is more than just a technical step. It's about taking control of your digital identity and privacy. Whether you decide to turn off your location tracking for privacy concerns or leave it on for convenience and personalized services, the choice is now in your hands. Remember, managing your digital footprint is an ongoing process. It's wise to routinely check your settings and adjust them as your preferences and privacy concerns evolve. Today's guide is a step towards understanding and controlling how your data is used, ensuring a safer and more personalized online experience. And there you have it. A simple and straightforward guide to managing your location settings in Gmail. By following these steps, you can easily adjust your preferences, giving you peace of mind and control over your personal information. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. Stay digital savvy and take control of your online presence.